Welcome back, golf nerds. Ryan here from Golf and Body. My 2-minute segment today is going to be how to strengthen what's called the longissimus caudal, which means caudal means it's an anatomical term away from the head. The one I showed before with the extensions coming up, that was for the longissimus cephalic, which means a little bit higher going towards the head. This muscle is very important because it stabilizes an extension and side bend. Sound familiar? Sounds like a golf swing to me. And so you can look at these muscles almost like the physics of a sailboat. You have the mast in the middle, and as that sail develops and gathers air, it actually puts a lot more stress on the mast, which needs to be reinforced. And so we can look at those muscles back here because gravity is always trying to pull us forward and down as the erectors of the spine and keeps us in good posture. Also really important because they have a rib cage attachment, they have a spinal attachment, and it goes all the way down into the sacrum, okay? So these three areas of interest are always going to be important because in case you haven't noticed, these careers are so much shorter than they used to be, and all I see is explosive movements and heavy lifting on average, and this is something you need to be aware of, and here's how you do it. Okay, so this is what's called a reverse hyper, okay? And so a lot of new gyms, especially really good gyms, they have these machines. So the very edge of the pad is the hinge point. So those bony landmarks in the front are going to be the hinge, okay? The feet are going to be pretty close together. Now, just to get a feel, you can use ankle weights, which I think are best because there's a lot more control. You're going to keep them close together, and they're just going to be up and down, extension and flexion, okay? So I'm holding the handles here, feet are close together, tucking the chin, and then we're just working in that motion. And then when there is enough load from the ankle weights, or if you decide to put any sort of weight or band resistance, you're gonna feel that in the lower back all the way to here. Important, stay in control, try to work your way up, and thanks for tuning in. Like and share for more.